guess what? If you apply through them, they will even give you your first flight ticket free. Yes, free. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Saundarya, a final year MBBS student at GMC Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. Now I know many of you watching have worked really hard for NEET exam, the big test of your career, and some of you must be getting a government seat. But I also understand that some of you are feeling really down. Maybe because your NEET score is not what you hoped for. या तो ये भी सोच रहे होगे कि your dream of becoming a doctor will not come true. I've seen students sad, scared, and giving up on their dream. But I just want to say, please don't lose hope. That's why I started this series. I want you to know that your dream of becoming doctor is still possible. Even if it doesn't happen जैसे आपने पहले सोचा था. If getting into college in India feels too hard right now, there's another option. You can study MBBS in another country. एक डॉक्टर बन के ही वापस आ सकते हो. अगर आप भी MBBS अब्रॉड करने का सोच रहे हो या फ्रेंड को हेल्प करना चाहते हो तो ये वीडियो पूरा देखना. Because I'll cover everything. With an exciting offer, university details, fees, hostel, FMG passing rate, and Indian food availability. In this video, which is the last video of this series, I'll talk about Avicenna State Medical University, also called as ATSMU. ATSMU is a well-recognized medical university, जो Indian students के लिए एक popular choice है. It is in a country called Tajikistan in its biggest city, Dushanbe. And guess what? Lots of Indian students have already studied there and became doctors. ATSMU is not a new college. It's been around since 1939, which means it's been teaching students for over 85 years. It's run by government there and is approved by an important organization like WHO, NMC, UNESCO. That means the degree you get from this college is accepted in India, the UK, USA, and even Europe. Isn't that amazing? Also, as Dushanbe is just 2.5 hours away from India and it's an Asian country, the Indian relations are good with Tajikistan. Our Defense Minister Rajnath Singh interacted with the Indian students in Tajikistan and discussed the emerging trends in healthcare and education and visited the hospital of ATSMU. Well, here's what you all need to apply for ATSMU. You should be at least 18 years old, you must have more than 50% marks in your 12th class, and you must have passed the NEET exam with at least 50%. Your NEET score also need to be from within last 3 years. Right now, many Indian students are studying at ATSMU and already over 1000 students from India have finished their MBBS course. The college has a good FMG passing rate, which means students are able to come back and work as a doctor in India. Now let's talk about something really important, the fees. The hostel where you stay at will cost you around 42,000 per year, and the tuition fees are about 3.5 lakh per year. So the full MBBS course, which takes 6 years in total, can be completed for around 25 to 30 lakh, and that is way less than what private colleges in India charge. Now the most important thing, the hospital and hands-on practices in ATSMU. It has its own hospital जिसमें 1200 plus beds है और एक advanced emergency clinic भी है. यहाँ students को hands-on clinical exposure मिलता है जो future practice के लिए बहुत helpful होता है. लाइब्रेरी एंड स्टडी मटेरियल. अगर आपको बुक्स और रिसर्च में इंटरेस्ट है तो यूनिवर्सिटी की लाइब्रेरी बहुत बड़े कलेक्शन के साथ फुल्ली इक्विप्ड है. मेडिकल बुक्स, पीरियोडिकल्स, रिसर्च पेपर सब अवेलेबल है. ट्रैवल एंड सेफ्टी इन दुशनबे. दुशनबे एक सेफ सिटी है और डायरेक्ट फ्लाइट्स अवेलेबल है. जस्ट 2 hours अवे ट्रैवल टाइम. जैसे किसी भी नए सिटी में जाना हो वैसे ही यहाँ भी बेसिक सेफ्टी प्रिकॉशन लेने चाहिए. बट ओवरऑल इंडियन मेडिकल स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ कंफर्टेबली सेटल हो जाते हैं. And here's something cool. ATSMU also has a premium training program. एक ऐसा benefit जो किसी और कॉलेज में नहीं है. Along with their normal classes, they will be provided with the premium platform. It is one key features of this college, which makes it a top choice among students. Mark my words, after entering into medical college, especially in abroad, you might feel lost, will need guidance, will need right resources and books, and that's when this Procium Premium Training Program will be your savior from first year itself. In this program, you can get access to video lectures of all the subjects curated by renowned lecturers. You will get your own login to an app where you can study subjects, practice questions, and prepare for big exams like USMLE and FMG, all from the comfort of your home. And don't worry about learning only from books. ATSMU has its own emergency clinic where students get real life practice treating patients. You'll also get to use their big library that has all the important medical books you need. अब आप पूछोगे मैं जा कैसे सकती हूँ वहाँ? So well, here's a trusted agency called Select Your University, which helps you from start to finish for whole 6 years. From applying to traveling to even joining classes. And guess what? If you apply through them, they will even give you your first flight ticket free. Yes, free. So if you still want to become a doctor and ready to explore another path, this is the chance you were waiting for. Just check the link in the description given below. Apply soon and start your journey.